If you're watching this video, chances are you've already launched an online store. Congratulations! Now it's time to start promoting it. As you may have heard, Facebook advertising is a huge part of gaining sales for dropshipping stores. But how do you start? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Facebook promotion and how to get ads up and running. Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to the AliDropship channel. With our AliDropship plugin, you can build a dropshipping website and start selling products from AliExpress to almost any country in the world. But after you have finished building your website, you will need to do some advertising to attract traffic and customers to your site. This is where Facebook promotion comes in. Stay with us to learn how you can benefit from advertising your online store on Facebook. Before we proceed, note, like from the video title, that this video is for newcomers of Facebook advertising. If you're more experienced with Facebook targeting but still need some help, we recommend jumping over to our other videos on this topic. For example, this video covers the strategy we used for one of our most successful dropshipping stores. But if you're new to dropshipping, stay with us and keep watching. Why do we choose Facebook for our ads? Facebook is a social media with billions of users. Yes, billions! Facebook reports 1.85 billion daily active users, and although you're not advertising to all those people, you have a very vast pool of users to target. Also, because Instagram is owned by Facebook, your ads can appear on both platforms, doubling your platform visibility. Facebook lets you create a personal page or a social group where visitors and users can make posts. When a business comes onto Facebook, it usually creates a page for building credibility and a place of interaction. So, if you own a dropshipping store, you should definitely register on Facebook. Remember, social media pages allow shoppers to verify a brand and a business, especially when it's a business that is new or not well known. So it's important to create these accounts to establish legitimacy as well as channels to communicate with your customers on. Of course, with Facebook, another big reason to use it, and the point of this video, is for advertising. Facebook promotion can be very efficient if done right, considering the platform's immense user reach. The easiest way to advertise your business is to publish posts. As an e-commerce store, you can post products and brand-centered content, and this alone can drive traffic to your site. If social media content creation and management is too much extra work for you, consider a special tool for scheduled posting in social media, our Social Rabbit plugin. I'll get back to this later in this video. Now, publishing posts to your Facebook is good, but there is one problem. If your account is new, you probably have no followers, so no one is going to see your posts. A few years ago, you could drive organic traffic, which is free, to your Facebook account. You could make cool posts, use popular hashtags, and people could simply find your page and follow. But nowadays, Facebook's algorithm has changed so much, and gaining organic traffic on Facebook is harder than ever. That's why the only way to visibly promote your business on Facebook now is to use paid advertising. Rest assured, Facebook is a great tool for promotion, and that's because it's a goldmine of data on users worldwide. This makes targeting the right audience with Facebook much easier than waiting for just organic growth. Let's take a look at how you can target your audience for better results with Facebook advertising. Location. In most cases, you don't need to advertise to all Facebook users. Instead, you can focus on a small portion of the audience, usually the people who live in a particular country. For example, if you're selling car accessories, you probably want to target an audience with high disposable income, since these people tend to own cars. The US, then, for example, would be a country that you could target. Age. The age you target depends greatly on what you're trying to sell with your ad. If you're selling orthopedic products, then it's likely that young people won't need these goods, but users aged 35 and older probably will. so you can set your age target accordingly. Gender. Not all products are unisex, so be sure you understand the target market for your product. For example, if you're advertising a dress, usually you wouldn't want to target men. And finally, interests. Probably the most important targeting option. For example, if you want to sell a cute t-shirt, where would you find your target audience? One idea would be to target people interested in anime, for instance. You have to try putting yourself in a potential end user's shoes and see if they would like your item or not. By combining these targeting options, you can fine-tune your targeting to achieve maximum results with Facebook promotion. On the one hand, Facebook will not lead thousands of users to your store because of the algorithm limitations. On the other hand, the quality of the leads you will eventually get will probably be pretty high. These are the people who are likely to be interested in your products and buy them. In addition, part of this audience will start following your business page, and that means more credibility for your page. Now, let's take a look inside the Facebook Ads Manager to learn how to start your first campaign. How to start working in Facebook Ads Manager. So let's say you have already created a Facebook business page. What you will need to do now is head over to your Facebook Ads Manager to create an ad campaign. As stated by Facebook, the Ads Manager is an all-in-one tool for creating, managing, and tracking your ads. The Ads Manager will also help by showing you how well your campaigns are performing based on Facebook's metrics. So here is what you have to do. Select an objective. You have 11 objectives to choose from based on what you want your ads to achieve. Choose your audience. As we have mentioned, Facebook allows you to target a specific audience of people based on the information you know about them. You can use options such as age, gender, location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can showcase your ads to anyone in any corner of the world and select multiple locations. Moreover, Facebook will automatically deliver the ads to countries where they will perform better. Set placements where to run your ads. You have a vast array of options from Facebook to Instagram to Facebook Messenger, so take your pick. Set a budget. Since you're going to be using Facebook's paid advertising tools, you're going to need to set a budget. Here you have an option to set a daily or lifetime budget and the time period when your ads will run. You have total control over your campaign costs since you initially choose how many people see your ads and how often they see them. Plus, with a predictable reach and frequency, you will see the exact amount of money required to reach your audience. How much should you spend on ads? Usually $10 to $15 a day is enough for a starting ad budget. And remember, you're not required to run ads every single day. Facebook allows you to always control your ad budget and turn off your promotions anytime you want. After you input your budget, all you have to do is pick the format of your ad and submit it to Facebook's ad auction. Don't forget to manage your ads and evaluate its performance over time. It's safe to say that Facebook promotion is one of the most accessible and cost-effective ways to promote your e-commerce business. Still, a common question is, how long do you have to wait until you can see results? Oftentimes, you can see results from a Facebook promotion within 1 week, or even sooner. The secret of getting sales is in optimizing your ads for better results and in retargeting people to get sales from warmed-up audiences. Dive deeper into audience retargeting with our in-depth video linked right here. Here is one important thing to also keep in mind. With Facebook ads, don't expect great results from your first attempts. Facebook is a very useful tool, but it takes time to get a hang of it. There is a lot of trial and error involved. Being able to accurately define your target audience and create the right ad comes with practice. So keep working and don't get too discouraged if you don't get impactful results from your first go at running an ad. To sum up, this is what you can do on Facebook to help your store sales grow. Create a social media page to make people trust you more. Write a description for your page and design a header image. Post your products and engage in niche-centered content to gain attention and traffic. Create and run Facebook ads. Make images and videos for the products you'd like to promote, write ad copy, and select targeting settings. You can learn how to do this all online yourself from articles or YouTube videos, or you can have us help you out. At Ali Dropship, our multi-talented team provides various services, including Instagram and Facebook promotion. Before I dive into that, let me remind you that all the links for resources we've mentioned throughout this video are below in the description. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Also, what topics would you like us to cover on our channel? Let us know down below. Now, I'd like to tell you about the services that can help you start promoting on Facebook. If you want to do it all yourself, you can skip that part and go to this timestamp to learn more about the Social Rabbit plugin, which helps to spend less time on posting on social media. And to this timestamp to get to a big tutorial on how to optimize Facebook ads. You can find all our services by visiting our site and going to the Products tab. Click Services and you will get to the corresponding page. Here are the most valuable services for dropshipping newcomers. Social Media Setup Assistance. Our team will create and set up an account for your business on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. With this service, you will get a professionally designed logo and cover image, a catchy profile bio, and integrate social media buttons onto your website. Our team will create and set up an account for your business on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. With this service, you will get a professionally designed logo and cover image, a catchy profile bio, and social media buttons integrated onto your website. Engage in social media posts. After getting your first followers, you're going to need engaging content to keep fans interested. By ordering this service, you will get up to 45 engaging post texts and beautifully designed images so that you can publish interesting posts on your Facebook and Instagram pages. Facebook and Instagram ads. Finally, our team has years of experience in creating efficient ads for Facebook and Instagram, and they can make up to 16 ads for your business account. For each of these ads, our team will also define a corresponding target audience. But if you want even better results, we recommend using video ads, as this type of media attracts more potential customers due to its animated visual nature. Simply order Facebook and Instagram video ads and our team will create up to 5 video ads for you and define an audience for each of them. These services will help you get started and stress less as a newcomer to dropshipping or Facebook advertising. Use our services and learn so that after a while you can make your own ads and posts. If you already have an idea or two about what your first page posts can be and have defined what your target audience should be, get started your Facebook promotion journey. Need some insight? You can also watch other videos on our channel dedicated to Facebook advertising. Keep in mind that the videos are more advanced and cover more difficult topics. But don't worry, with time you will learn how to advertise on Facebook like our team of pros. Find the links to these videos in the description box below. If you've got your Facebook ads down but are struggling with scheduling or manually creating content for your page, be sure to check out Social Rabbit plugin, which we mentioned earlier on in this video. With Social Rabbit, all you need to do is prepare images, set up hashtags and keywords, set your posting rules, and the plugin will do the rest. Social Rabbit will use these materials to automatically publish posts to your social media pages. It can also automatically repost content from your followers, generate posts from images in your site's gallery, and automatically update images it uses from free stock image databases based on your specified keywords. It can also automatically repost content from your followers, generate posts from images in your site's gallery, and automatically update images it uses from free stock image databases based on your specified keywords. Using Social Rabbit saves a lot of time on manually promoting your business on social media and allows you to stress less about this aspect of running an online business. If you want to learn more about Facebook promotion, we recommend watching our video on retargeting next, as this advertising technique is crucial for any business. Be sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more dropshipping knowledge and insight. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next week. Bye!